Hey guys, Jeff here with GYEON USA, and today we're going to take a closer look at GYEON Q² Syncro EVO, a second skin for your car. So what's new about the GYEON EVO line of coatings? Everything. Every single formulation has been improved and offers a leap forward in durability, chemical resistance, and user experience. The role of Syncro has always been to offer our DIY enthusiasts the most advanced ceramic coating possible outside of our professional programs. As before, Syncro combines the best of both worlds in a separate base coat and top coat chemistry. We have the all-new Mohs EVO as the base coat and the completely redesigned Q² Skin EVO as the top coat. Mohs EVO is a highly advanced and unique ceramic coating, and the first of its kind in the automotive industry. Mohs EVO uses fluorine-modified polysiloxanes. Now, there's no fluorine in the actual product, and this is not an infusion. Fluorine is used to modify the polysiloxanes in the precursor stage of the coating's construction. This modification gives us enormous benefits on all levels, including durability, chemical resistance, and ease of use. The previous skin top coat was a silicone-based product, which gave us great slickness and repellency, but didn't quite have the durability we wanted, especially in harsh weather driving conditions. The new Skin EVO Top Coat has been completely rebuilt as a silica-based product. This gives us even more durability to the hydrophobic effect, even more chemical resistance, and a noticeable color enhancement, making your reds, blues, and blacks even more brilliant. Now let's explore the application. Syncro EVO is very easy to apply. Install a single layer of Mohs EVO as your base coat, followed by a single layer of Skin EVO as your top coat. This two-part system offers up to 5 years durability with proper maintenance. Syncro EVO is now available in 30mm and 50mm sizes, depending on the vehicle you're working on. The first step is to make sure any polishing oils or lubricants from a previous detailing step are properly removed. Perform a degreasing wash if necessary, and then a final wipe down with Q2M Prep. Apply a generous amount of Mohs EVO to the included microfiber applicator. Apply a thick and even layer of coating over a shoulder-width working area. The perfect time to remove Mohs EVO is when the product begins to bead or sweat. This will take place within 30 seconds of the coating being on the surface. For removal, use at least 2 high-quality microfiber towels. We recommend the GYEON Bald Wipe and Soft Wipe. I like the Bald Wipe for my initial removal, and then the Soft Wipe to pick up any excess material. Once the Mohs EVO base coat is complete, we can immediately apply the Skin EVO Top Coat. Using the backside of the included applicator or an additional microfiber applicator, apply a thick, even layer of product to the paint's finish. The initial bond of the Skin EVO Top Coat takes place within seconds, so remove excess material immediately using at least 2 high-quality microfiber towels. Now that you've finished your Skin EVO Top Coat, you've successfully installed GYEON Syncro EVO. You've now got the most advanced 2-part ceramic coating available on the open market, offering great looks, long-term durability, and intense water behavior. Enjoy!